everybody. So far this is Earl. Just a lot of rain and a little bit of wind. Nothing too destructive so far. And yeah, it's about 6 p.m. and I guess that's it. I'm gonna go and answer more comments. Alright, now it's about 8 p.m. Nothing much has been broken except what I thought would be my big sunflower. Yeah. Holy shit. I thought I would be able to plant it back. Oh well, there's a few roots, but you see, it really got like, it broke. I was pretty sure that was gonna happen. And that seems to be it. Unless the storm is not yet over. Yeah, a few stems of tomatoes like that fell down. And that's about it. No trees got hit. And alright, yeah, it sucks. Since it was so big. Well, at least I can see, oh, that would have been big too, look at that. Yeah. Oh well. Just one casualty isn't so bad. Alright, see ya.